Hey adventurers! Welcome to TikTok Answers. Today, we're talking backpacking tips for all levels. Let's dive in. Choosing your destination. The world is waiting to be discovered, and your destination is the first step on this incredible journey. Follow your curiosity, seek inspiration from travel shows on YouTube to find your spot. For example, you can watch a virtual city walking tour before making your choice. This way, you can get a taste of the place atmosphere before committing to your journey. Setting a budget. Just like a skilled captain navigates the ship, budgeting guides your expedition. Calculate costs for transportation, accommodation, meals, and experiences. Be sure that you have at least 10 to 15% extra to cover emergency costs. To help you manage your finances, consider using apps like Zen Money for personal budgeting. If you're traveling with a group of friends, apps like Splitwise help you managing the group budget automatically. Planning your itinerary. Every journey begins with a roadmap, and your itinerary is your travel guide. List your must-see attractions and allocate time wisely. When possible, reserve tickets online to skip long queues and secure your spot at popular touristic places. For example, in the Netherlands it is required to reserve an appointment long time before your visit. Otherwise, you risk to waste your time in the queue and not go anywhere. Packing essentials. Create a comprehensive list of items you'll need and save it digitally on your phone. Pack versatile clothing suitable for various weather conditions and prioritize lightweight essentials. Having a digital packing list, you will use it anytime you will go traveling in the future, not forgetting anything. Accommodation options. Research and book a room much in advance to secure the best options. Whether you prefer traditional hostels, cozy hotels, camping under the stars, or immersing yourself in local homes through platforms like couchsurfing. Remember, planning ahead ensures a comfortable stay. Navigating and transportation. Navigating through unknown terrain requires a reliable map. Use Google Maps offline map mode as your modern-day compass. Research local transportation options and consider getting a pass for regions with extensive train and bus networks. Also, hitchhiking can be an adventurous way to connect with locals. Health and safety precautions. Research medical facilities and emergency numbers in your destination. If you're traveling to a non-English speaking country, print out emergency phrases. Also, ensure you're up to date on vaccinations and have travel insurance in place. Connecting with locals. Learn basic phrases in the local language and embrace community activities. If you're open to deeper connections, consider reserving a bed through couchsurfing. This not only saves money but also offers a chance to stay with locals and gain insider knowledge. And there you have it. A compass to charting an epic backpacking journey. From destination selection to connecting with the heartbeat of a place, every moment is an opportunity for growth. So, fellow explorers, go on your adventure, embrace the unknown, and as always, be a lifelong learner. Until next time.